you rolling?
Yeah.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome to a new video. A lot has happened since the last video where we were in Ireland on the dyno. We're now here at Fleet Livery Solutions getting the rear quarter panel wrapped. But over the last sort of 4 or 5 days, we've come back from Ireland and we've dropped the GT86 off to our good friend Dave Bastin down at DB Paint. How much do you want to kill me? You know when you offer to help a mate out and you're like, I shouldn't have done this. This is now, isn't it? Dave has worked his absolute, I don't know what to say here other than nuts off. Dave and his team have just done an amazing job rebuilding the quarter panel. The outer and inner skin of the rear quarter panel on the GT86 was badly damaged due to the tyre exploding. It's unfortunate. It's not ideal, really, in my opinion, to kind of be doing 180 mile an hour on the dyno, but you know, it is what it is. It's happened. We'll repair it and we'll move on. You know, inevitably at some point the car will get damaged. That's drifting, that's competition racing. But I suppose I just wasn't really ready for it to happen this soon, considering I haven't even really driven the car at all yet, other than just in and out the trailer. Anyway, however, we're in this situation and we're fighting our way out of it. So we are here at Fleet Livery Solutions. Ash and his team are going to rewrap the quarter panel now after Dave's done an amazing job rebuilding it. The side of the rear bumper has been rebuilt, the side skirt's been rebuilt, so we're putting a fresh wrap on that side of the car because this afternoon we need to really deliver the car to the Birmingham ICC, which is a event space where SnapOn Tools are having their yearly franchisee show, displaying all of their new tools for this year. So we need to get the GT86 to the show this afternoon so that it's ready to be on display for when all the franchisees turn up. It's a bit of a race against time. It was really bad timing what's happened, but a lot of really good people have helped us out to get it sorted in time. Hopefully we'll be out of Ash's way in the next couple of hours and we can be on our way to Birmingham. You've seen the video of it happening? Did I send it to you?
I cried a little bit.
You cried?
It's literally just a little.
I mean, it's good enough for now, so we'll roll with what we've got. Dave's done a good job in the time that I gave him.
Yeah.
Just need
so
to.
With this then, are you happy if I just join that?
Yeah, of course. That's why we've done that there.
Yeah. Okay.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fade, seen them down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers, fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a Don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told them come down and I'll meet them at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place. They get some money and they blow it on bait. I don't flex, but I'm pushing all the weight.
You're right there, mate.
Very tired. Good. Looks like it never happened.
What happened?
Exactly. What happened? We might as well just delete that last video. Nothing happened. Look. Back to normal. Yay! Need to get some black tyre shiny stuff.
Did you pack any?
I don't remember. Lucky I packed myself. Jesus. That looks alright. How could be a valet?
I don't know.
Chris from Sonax, take note. Do this yourself.
Maybe we should ask people in the comments if they'd want you to valet their cars.
Yeah. As long as they let me drift them afterwards.
I don't think anything happened at all. I saw nothing. I don't know what Dave's going on about. He's fixed something. Nothing's wrong. See, nothing wrong with it. push.
Oh, now.
After all that pushing.
Yeah. Would have been easy to just start it up, wouldn't it? Alright, so we've made it to the Birmingham ICC for the SnapOn Show. It's where all the franchisees and SnapOn UK get together to look at everything new for 2024. And of course, we've got the GT86 here. It's made it. It looks like nothing's ever happened. And thank you from me and everybody in the team goes to Dave Bastin and his guys at DB Paint and Ash at Fleet Livery Solutions and everybody that works for Ash. You guys saved the day. In just 4 days you got the car turned around, and of course, you know, everybody in my team, Sam, Higo, Naomi, you guys smashed it getting the car fixed and obviously helping me get it here. So yeah, the next couple of days we're going to be showing everybody at SnapOn our new toolbox, which will be available this year, and the special edition merchandise that we've got in collaboration with SnapOn that will only be available through the SnapOn franchisees. So if you buy SnapOn and you're in the UK or Ireland, you'll be able to get our box and some merch to go with it later this year. So for now, we're going to go and chill, and we're going to get ready for the next couple of days here at SnapOn.
Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison.